Hello everyone, I am VS Lutfi and now you are on Devindo YouTube channel. This is part 4. If you not see or not watch video before, link is below. Now we define for this. I will define if this form is form for insert, so this is insert, but for delete, this is change to delete. So to change this to dynamically, just check for this value for barang. Just check like this. Barang is not null, so this is for insert. But if this is null, I mean this is for null insert, but not null is update. Okay, we'll check for this, but we never create for this view. Just go to home page and I will wrap this to row and just copy this and create new icon of like this and navigate to insert view model but with param. So navigator of context and call for push name routers. This is routers, never import routers, and this is insert and argument. With argument we have to insert argument like this. This is for barang. We'll define barang is model barang index. So just copy and here paste here. This is not model again but model, something like this, and save it. Back to home. This is wrap to this because we never set for row. This is just main access size and for my access is min. Just like this and save again. We will show something before. Nah, like this. If we go to this is title is insert, but if we go to this one, this is also is update. So I will update also for this function, but I will provide for this ID. So first one, I will initial data for this. Go to insert view model or go for first insert dot. So in here, I will define for already model. This will call model and something like this. I will check if barang not null. This will call model dot initial. First one I will define for barang ID and barang dot barang for name of barang, and last is barang dot jumlah, something like this. And now we will define for initial in insert view model. Just do in here void initial with for first is ID barang and jumlah. We'll provide ID. This is never create for ID, just do integer ID underscore ID for ID. This ID will do in update, so we will create next for function update. So back to this, ID is ID, barang is barang, and jumlah, sorry, this barang and jumlah as jumlah, thing like this. And this is a notify listener. Okay, save it and we'll try for this. Just go back and we will do this. You will see this is initial value from this list. Your keyboard is insert keyboard and mon is 1. Okay, next I will do for insert or I mean for update. So first one, this is for insert dot. I will change this insert for first is on this model. Just copy for this. So just delete and convert like here. Just check if barang is null. Just do just do if barang is null, call is set insert. But if not, just call for update model dot set update. But set update never create before, so just something error in here. In insert like this, we will do just copy this and paste in here. Okay, next we will do in set update in insert view model. In here we define future set update like before, and this is asynchronous, and just call await database service and update Nah, like this. This is object, so we will convert barang like this. Barang for first is ID, barang is barang, and last is jumlah If this success, go to home, just copy this and notify listener. Okay, something like this. Just save, and I will change for keyboard. I will change to 4 and update. Yep, just update for amount of barang in here. Okay, if you go in here, just do like tahu gejrot, and I will define amount of 10, just insert. Yep, tahu gejrot in here. Okay, next I will implement last function is detail of ID. You will see in here we will define for read data ID. So I will create new page, call is detail, something like this. Just do stateless and define as detail. Import for material, and this is for scaffold. First one is wrap to view model builder, and detail view model. This is reactive, but we first is import for stacked. So just call reactive, something like this. And first one is on model ready. We'll call for initial data, so model, not module, model, we'll call is model dot initial with ID. Okay, this ID will define in here final integer ID, and we create constructor, and again we not use for super key or key, just delete it, thing like this. Okay, ID not error because we have defined for ID. Next is for view model builder. We call it as detail view model. Just copy this and paste here. And child is builder, something like this. This first of context and model and child. We return as container, but this is a scaffold, not container. Scaffold, first one is a bar. I will define a bar is detail model. The title is detail barang. Title, text, name is detail barang. So after that I will define body, just do column, and I will wrap column to padding 20 like this. Column will return for first one is child, and for first I will define text is model dot barang dot ID. Next for name of barang, last is jumlah barang. Okay, this view just like this. I will do this column to center, just in center. I will remove this padding, no need padding, and this main axis is center, so this will become center. Okay, we'll create for the detail view model. Just copy this, and this in model we create for the detail view model dot, and class is the detail view model extend view base view model, and define for first is the initial barang. So just call barang as barang. Don't forget to import this model, and just copy, and we'll define this barang of get barang, return of barang. So we'll create for method to call database for detail. So just use future and initial ID, initial data. We'll back to this initial. This have a ID, something like this, asynchronous, and this will return barang white. And again we import for this database service from locator. So just do this copy and paste, and don't forget to import for package locator and import for database service. So in here just call for delete, and ID is ID, something like this. Just call for notify listener. This is not get delete, but get detail ID, get barang, I mean. So just forgot for this and save it, and you go to this one, just import for detail view model. Okay, and we'll try. Oh, we never implement for this detail. So first one, register for root. This is a detail, and detail route, just import, and again do flutter with runner. Okay, so in home here I will implement onPress in list style. This is onPress, on tab. I will call navigator of context, push name to route, and okay, just call routes is detail route, and this is argument with ID, so just call this is detail arguments. ID is just copy this and paste here. Okay, don't forget to comma, something like this. Just save, and we will see detail of this list, something like this. So tap here, and yes, this is a detail of barang or column of barang. If you have many data, this is good for you because in here just overview of your data, and after click detail, this is of detail your data. But this is something error is not null, but this is not problem. So from this we just set like this. If this barang is null or there is no data, set for loading. Just copy this and paste here, paste here, also here. Save, and we clean this console. Try again for this. Go to bala-bala detail. Yeah, no error because we have checked for this. If model data, ID or barang or jumlah is null, will show loading. So this is video for local database Flutter. I hope you enjoy with this video. Yes, my English still bad, but I hope you enjoy with this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and thanks.